some time, and I take her heart with me wherever I go. She's 1 in 1,000,000. She helps me to grow. The life that she gives is something I need to survive, and
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I have this body wave wig from Amazon, and these are the goodies that comes along with the hair, guys. This is the adjustable elastic band and the stocking cap. This is a 13 by 4 30-inch body wave unit, you all, and the color is 1B. It has an adjustable elastic band, a comb at the back, a comb in the middle, and this is how the lace is looking, you all. The knots on the lace are not bleached, guys, and it is pre-plucked, and this is how the hair is looking, just straight from the pack, you all. It is nice and soft. So far, I'm not getting no shedding, so that is also a plus.
eyes take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you, Daisy. No empty spaces, no empty life.
This is how the wig looks when I put it on, guys. And this, just looking at the lace, you can see that even though it's pre-plucked, it still could take some more plucking, guys. And you can part this unit in the middle. Even though it's a 13 by 4, you can part it in the middle or on both sides.
Those daisies remind me of you. I'd go to the sun and back for her love. Oh, I'd fight in a million wars to collapse there in her arms.
I went in and shampooed the hair, guys, so this is how it looks after I'm finished. You can see all the body waves are gone, just a little wave. Now I'll go in and just pluck the hairline a little, you all.
Eyes take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you, Daisy. Baby, I go to the sun and back for her. Oh, I go. I'd fight in a thousand to collapse there in her arms. Oh, I'm gonna fight for you, baby. To the sun and back. Go for you. I'd fight in a thousand wars to collapse there in her arms. To the sun and back. In a thousand wars to collapse. Don't let me die with you, baby. With you, baby. I'm dying with you, baby. In a thousand wars to collapse.
Now that I've finished plucking the hairline, I'll go in with a flat iron and just flatten the hair a little before using the flexi rods to add some curls to the hair.
It's my heart forever, my girl, and her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you, Daisy, my beautiful baby. Today I saw you all stressed out. You couldn't even leave the house. All of this pressure you put.
Now I'm going in and remove the lace. Then I'll use the Got To Be Flex Instant Old Spray and the Got To Be glue to lay the lace.
You're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no
on, no, a girl gotta go in and had some grandma hair. Just a little, guys, nothing too dramatic.
Because you are, you don't have to change. 'Cause baby, our love is natural. Today I saw you, almost want to cry. You couldn't see the natural things that I love about you, like your pretty smile. Our love is natural, and even if you let your hair go wild, take a break from your favorites to light up.
I am adding a little concealer to the parting space. Now I'm adding a little powder to the lace. Here you have the finished look, guys. This unit is gorgeous. It did not disappoint you all. It gives you a natural look and feel. It holds the curls nicely, and I didn't experience much shedding from the hair you all. And guys, can you tell I'm feeling this unit? Yes, I do. I'm in love with this wig. Once again, this is a 13x4 body wave wig. It is 1B. I don't remember the density you all. I think the price of this unit is $80 or something there, and it is 30-inch. The quality is amazing, guys. You can't lose with $80 for a 30-inch 13x4 human hair wig. So I'll leave the link to the Amazon store in the description, guys. If you're interested, you can go and check it out. Thank you guys for watching. As always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, bye guys. Bye.
Every day, and I love your natural hair that